I'm Rebecca, sports therapist and owner at Return to You in Newmarket. We are pleased to announce we're the first clinic in the Suffolk and Cambridgeshire region to pioneer the latest Footscan technology and Phits insoles, the world's first 3D printed orthotics that are based from your dynamic gait analysis.
Foot, knee, hip and back pain is commonly a result of poor biomechanics, often stemming from the feet. Our Footscan system has over 4,000 high-speed sensors which accurately capture and analyse your movement, providing detailed plantar pressure information that simply cannot be seen with a treadmill or the human eye. This helps us to identify and treat the causes of your injury whilst offering the best advice to reduce the risk of future injuries. An assessment begins with a static scan to look at your posture and weight distribution. We can also monitor your balance and movement efficiency during specific tasks such as squatting and jumping. We then complete a dynamic gait analysis in our elegant 15-metre walkway. For active individuals and runners, we can also provide a running assessment. Footscan provides a range of visual analysis screens which allow us to slow down your movement to identify even the smallest asymmetries or abnormalities. It then allows us to design bespoke orthotics specific to your needs based on real-time dynamic data, providing tailored support and cushioning where you need it most. Our Phits orthotics are 3D printed at Materialise, the global leader in 3D printing. This allows us to provide the most accurate orthotics worldwide. We are able to choose from a range of top covers, including the incredible D3O material, which provides optimal comfort, world-leading impact protection and energy return. Orthotics aren't just for foot pain, they can assist with a range of conditions and also act as a preventative measure to minimise the risk of injury. We even have sport-specific designs for football, golf, cycling and ski footwear to help improve performance and movement efficiency. For further information and to book a Footscan assessment, please visit the website www.returntoyou.co.uk/Footscan.